समझाएंगे। अभी आपको हम इसरो के पूर्व चेयरमैन के सिवन के पास लेकर चलते हैं।
नमस्कार, बहुत स्वागत है आपका। आपके साथ मैं हूं रंजना सिंह राठौड़। भारत अंतरिक्ष में क्रांति का एक नया अध्याय लिखने वाला है। चंद्रयान 3 सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग के लिए तैयार है और उसको लेकर तमाम तैयारियां की जा चुकी हैं और इसी के साथ भारत उन देशों की सूची में शुमार हो जाएगा जो चांद पर फतह कर चुके हैं। और शायद यही वजह है कि देश भर में इस मिशन के सफल होने को लेकर मंगल कामनाएं की जा रही है। और इसी से बात करने के लिए, इसी मुद्दे पर और ज्यादा जानकारी लेने के लिए हमारे साथ आज बेहद ही खास मेहमान जुड़े हुए हैं जो इस मिशन के बेहद महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा रह चुके हैं। We'll be talking more to him. We'll be discussing more about this mission with our today's guest, who is better than former chairperson of ISRO, Mr. K. Sivan. Welcome to News Nation, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, in 2019 September, when Chandrayaan 2 actually couldn't do well, but apart from that, still ISRO came back with full power, full josh. How has it been, sir? How was the journey?
See, based on that Chandrayaan 2 lessons, whatever we learned from there, and basically there are some issues in the propulsion system, guidance system and control system, and all these things have been corrected. And also wherever that margins, design margins are less, that margins have been increased. Also that is wherever possible the redundancy is incorporated. So with all these things that we are, this particular mission is highly robust. And with that the confidence, we have come out with the full strength for the next mission, the Chandrayaan 3. And till now, everything operations are very normal. So with all these things, we are telling that, we are feeling that it will be having that the mission will be success. Definitely. And so we, this time that we will be meeting that anxiety of the entire nation and the whole world.
Definitely, the measures have been taken and definitely corrective actions must have taken by ISRO. Any changes either to the rover or to the lander apart from these basic corrective measures?
No, otherwise it is similar to what the configuration we have flown in that Chandrayaan 2. In fact, that scientific instruments also, they are same. So that way I am telling it's a repeat mission.
Yes, sir. Definitely the correction was very important. But in almost last 4 years, ISRO, your team, all these scientists must have worked really hard because we have seen that phase as well. Prime Minister was also there and you also got a bit emotional, sir. How difficult or easy was it to motivate your team? Because that was, I think, would be the most challenging part.
See, basically, ISRO people are more robust and rugged. And whenever some mishap happens, like Chandrayaan 2, momentarily we will be that feeling disappointment, but immediately after that we will be getting into the loop and start working on that. I would say that Chandrayaan 3 work started on the Chandrayaan 2 landing day itself. Within few hours the work started with identifying the cause for the misbehavior and the improvements what we need to do. All those things started discussing at that time itself. So the work is started there itself. So all people, ISRO people, always this is the mantra. So they won't get collapsed with failure. Yes, momentarily there will be disappointment, some emotional thing will be there, but we will be coming back to the job to the full steam. We will come back to the next moment to correct it and make it clear.
Definitely, sir. And as an Indian, I can feel that our emotions are biggest strength, and we all could see that. But recent update has come about Russia's Luna Moon mission. It got failed in soft landing. What do you think, or what information could you provide about our mission that it's completely free from any such technical issue?
See, Luna mission configuration and our configuration, they are different. We cannot compare 1:1 with that one. In their system, maybe some system got malfunctioned and the mission failed. But that failure is not having any impact on Chandrayaan 3. And we have our own system and our own design, our own analysis. And we have gone through the analysis in depth and understand what really happened, and we have corrected. And after correcting that also, we have simulated many the simulations and we found that what our corrective actions are taken is very relevant. Also, that is what we have seen is that it become more robust compared to Chandrayaan 2. And that way we are hoping that this time it will be a grand success.
True, very true. We are hoping and we are believing that we are going to be successful.
Because of that work we have done is enormous. Subsequent to that Chandrayaan 2 mission. And the team feels that all the errors have been fixed up. So this time it may not happen. So because of this confidence that is there, really the mood is very good. And we are hoping that it will be success without any problem.
All the best, sir. And the whole blessing of the country is with this mission, sir. Thank you so much for joining us with News Nation, sir.
तो आप इसरो के पूर्व अध्यक्ष के सिवन को सुन रहे थे। उनके साथ हम पूरे भारतवासियों को ये आशा है कि आज का मिशन सक्सेसफुल होगा।
बिल्कुल, इसी के साथ छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए रुक रहे हैं, जल्द होंगे हाजिर।